During a massive snowstorm, this driver was watching from a distance as multiple tragedies were about to unfold in front of his own eyes, starting with a huge truck colliding into another one. But that's not all, just watch what happens after that. As another driver had a near miss with a stationary car, the cameraman said this.
This is ridiculous. It's snow and fog mixed together, and it made the visibility down to zero. And oh, watch out, watch out. Oh, God. Damn, my car is gone. I need to get all my out of our car, but it's too dangerous.
What would you have done in this situation?